EDC for the day. Ito. With wood finish. Yan siya. Tapos ito, ano ba to? Hindi ko alam kung tawag ito. Parang gunmetal with belt mount. Pull this here. Ayun. Lalabas na siya. Mukha siyang double blade but it's not a double blade. As you can see here, andito lang siya sa side na yan yung blade. Itong isa, plain lang yan. How to fold it? Check it here. Push this. Push. Then bend here. Diba? Yan. Yan. That easy. Check the link kung saan mabibili.